The leaves are falling.
Almost. One more time. So Sunday morning.
Oh yeah.
This shit is crazy. They working it out.
Yeah,
I hope and pray they send you back to
right. So we start
Look at D.
We're
They
gonna
all
start
working it
top
out.
of that, everything
Look at
breaks
that.
out.
Okay.
Drummer.
The person is Sunday morning. Angels calling.
They're like, what the fuck you doing?
You ready? 2. The sun.